60 word per minute English dictation. 5 second. Start. Para. I have started my journey in this industry 1 year ago. My father is my main inspiration and support. We entered this industry with the challenge of making it a recognized brand name in the Indian market. It is really our hard work that bears fruits today. Young leaders are an emerging development across many industries in our country. My father is my greatest motivation because he worked very hard to establish this company's name in the industry. That is the reason why I follow his footsteps. Para. First of all, at the time of entering the market, leaders must have self confidence to go forward. There may be times when their business rules may face problems while other popular companies rule the day. It is necessary to have people skills so that one can manage the employees. They must be ready to face unexpected situations while dealing with the daily affairs of the business. One should be able to face all kinds of problem situations. Para. To start a company, one should be very determined and possess a good dose of patience which will lead to success. One should have the dedication to reach the goal and the skill to deal with all crisis situations. Young minds are always full of fresh thoughts and new ideas. They have the ability to be direct, open, and can take new risks better. There is a very important aspect to bring about innovation in our country. There is nothing wrong if one takes orders from a young leader as long as he or she takes the responsibility to improve the company's growth. In fact, a right mix of ideas can go a long way to find the right solution to solve problems and bring about the necessary charge.